Nah, I think they'll come anyway.
Yeah, dude. Oh, and he bought it? Not knowing?
No, but like he's had it, but I thought he drove automatic.
Nah.
What up?
What up, gang? It's your favorite stepdads, grandpas, uncles. We're back at it again with another fucking vlog.
It's been a minute. We apologize for lagging it, but you know, we're some busy niggas, you know.
And plus, there hasn't been really shit to do. But today, there's really not much. But today, we're just gonna go wash the cars, go to get some acai bowls because somebody here is turning into a diva, and we're gonna go to a party, bowling. Actually, it's a pretty eventful day. We'll see, you know, if you enjoy it. You guys will follow us around the journey. You already know we got the fucking Brianna Teggy right here. Ale, I look need some. I don't want to change it right now though, cause she's gonna I just kind of drove, but this is the first time we ever try acai bar. I've tried acai bowls before, but from Jamba Juice, I really never got one for myself. And I've tried a homemade one. They're pretty good. So we're gonna see what this one's about. Our boy was talking a lot about it, so you know, we'll see. If you live in Pasadena, California, this is on Washington Boulevard and what? In Hale? Yeah. So, you know, if you like this white girl shit, try it out. Yes, sir. So we got our acai bowl. I got banana, strawberry, peanut butter, and granola. What you get?
Blueberry, strawberry, banana, and granola.
That shit bussin' or what?
Bussin'.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Not gonna lie with you. So, he finished. This is a little bit too much. But, now we're about to head out. Farrell's car wash. And watch our cars, bitch. Alright, so we made it to the car wash. As you can see, we got the mats up there ready to be clean. And sheesh. My boy washing. Why don't you put the mats up there in the mat holder? Yeah, you put the other two on the ground. We got it all soapy. Alrighty, so we just got done washing the cars. About to see this immaculateness. Woo-wee! This car, I only washed this shit like twice, but it's my second time. Boom, nice and clean. You never see them rims, it's not as white since the day I bought them. Shoo! We got yeah. Oh yeah, huh? Talking about it almost being the same, bruh. I don't know. I don't pay $39 at Arco. So much for having fucking gas savers, huh? Wait, what'd you put? Oh, 87. Robbed them. So honestly, we're supposed to go bowling right now, but our boy's kind of liking it, so I'm not so sure. We're ready. Fit check. So we're here at the Ross because homegirl over there wanted to get a present so bad, so we're all getting a couple presents here. Damn, this night's looking kind of ass. Sure, somehow you better like this.
Yeah, I haven't eaten.
Tell them where we at.
We at the kickback. We outside.
Little birthday party. You already know how to change a shirt because my boy over here got me looking drippy. Look at him. Just look at him, bro. Fresh. Can you give a kiss in the mouth, though? Ooh. The fit.
I don't be fitted up because I got no intuition.
Sheesh. Always bad. Look. Ooh, and the little homie fit. That's the mom. That's the sister. Sheesh. Boy, bright ass shirt. Damn. You. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. So now it's time for the my other boys kickback. Chris is not here yet. Yeah, little
Bro,
drip.
where is Chris at? Where's Chris at, bro? That's what I want to know.
He's gonna come. He's gonna come in. Don't worry about it. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Wham!
So,
What happened, Papa?
cancel that shit, fool.
Nah, bro. It's for the vlog, right?
Nah,
homie?
fool, you don't even want it on the vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, Chris, hey, I called off, bro. I don't give a fuck.
My man's kind of fucking zooted. bro.
JP.
Will you call off tomorrow?
No, tomorrow I'm going in, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it. Come on,
Yeah. JP, how many drinks did you have, dog?
now.
Nah, this one right here.
Hey,
That one.
let's check it out, fool. Who's this?
It's
my
his
homie.
boys. He goes to Jack a lot, usually in the night.
You'll
though.
meet him right now. Hey, Chris.
Nah.
Oh, I fell.
Yeah, because of that shotgun.
You need another one?
Daisy.
Hey, Andy, he wants another one.
Let's do it.
Mike, you're not ready, bro.
Happy birthday.
Bro, this fool. He had a tall can. I was with him at the beach. He did that shit in like 3-4 seconds.
What?
A tall can of Modelo. You have the video? I know you. Show me the video. Hold on. I'll show you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JP. Happy birthday to you.
JP, wake up.
Hey yo, all right, bro. Look at the camera, bro.
He does it. JP?